Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board the 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This is a fantastic starter family boat, and what Sea Ray does that really brings this boat up to another level than some of the other ones is a lot of really quality components. You have Mercury motors, they're Pro XS's, which are fantastic. You've got Mercury controls. You've got Fusion stereo and speakers throughout, something that you're really going to appreciate, the kids are going to appreciate. Anyone who climbs on this boat is really going to appreciate the way the seating is laid out, the huge swim platform in the back, and excuse the fact that the boat's just a touch on the dirty side. This is a brand new arrival for us. It's 2019. It just showed up. It's been here maybe a week. This boat is really something worth bringing to the table for a new family, for folks that are new to the boating world. It comes with a trailer. It's backed with a lifetime structural warranty from Sea Ray. And one of the cool things about this is this brings you into the Sea Ray family. You get one of the largest owner family groups in the entire United States when it comes to boats. You have a plethora of resources, amazing customer service, and of course, MarineMax, one of the largest dealer networks in the entire world, backing you, backing your family, backing your days on the water. So guys, if we can put you on board this, you want to take a sea trial, you want to see what it would like to be to get on the water here in the west coast of Florida on the beautiful, some of the most beautiful water in Florida, we'd love to talk to you. Again, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 2019 190 SPX, and we'd love to talk to you. We'll see you soon.